First of all, definitions matter. We need to, if we talk about data, we need to define what it is that we're actually talking about, what kind of data specifically, rather than using something more general. My second message would be that we need to think about the social aspects of data. We tend to trust data that come from people we trust or organizations we trust, and we put different expectations on data that come from other sources or other people that we don't trust as much. And sometimes then we will ask for more data from those individuals, even because we don't have that trusted relationship, even though the data are the same.
Maybe one additional message that comes to mind for me is the critical importance of understanding the whole data ecosystem and the roles in our organizations and navigating that, particularly when it comes to data protection and data protection frameworks. It's not enough to have the framework. Actually finding the tools and processes to implement it is what makes this work meaningful. So we have to keep investing in that. So the last 10 years in the sector have been a period of convergence and collaboration around data protection. There's been a lot of goodwill and a lot of well-intentioned investment in how we do this work together, how we develop joint frameworks to navigate the key questions around data protection and the principled approach to this work, and also developing tools that can help us implement this work in practice. I think looking to the future, we're going to see perhaps a divergence from some of those common frameworks from certain actors and a more complex data ecosystem to navigate, which will require collaboration in the face of constraint. And hopefully with the community that's been investing in this work over the past decade and will continue to do so, a commitment to working together.
I would agree. And I would say that one of the other things that will become really important in the next 10 years is to work with like-minded organizations to advance the things that matter for those organizations. And I think that's going to be finding that common cause and working together is going to be really important going into the future.